We had a nice big group for this excursion. Anya and Ben, who is in the back, with their 2 children from Enderil. Claude and Thérèse on Swiss Lady. Peter and Barbara with their 3 children on Viterève. And Rudy and Chris in the back, Pompocito. Yay, I got it. Oh, and let's not forget Beat in the front, who is on Anita. Philip is our driver today with his daughter Isabel. Somehow, we managed to squeeze 18 adults and children in this van. Well, that's the islands for you.
Well, there we go. They're driving us to the, I think we're going to Seven Sisters, right? We're going to Seven Sisters. So
That's the plan.
that's the plan, yes. So let's have fun today. Woo!
We are Chantal and Gary, and this is our home, Maracudja, a Beneteau 423. 2 years ago, we retired early to live our dream. We left our land home in Florida and sailed the Caribbean south to see new horizons. This season 3 and during the COVID pandemic, we find ourselves in Grenada, the Spice Island. So click the subscribe button and follow our journey. If you recall, we toured Grenada on a previous video with this same group. We had so much fun that we organized to go on a picnic at another river. The island of Grenada is situated at the southern end of the Grenadine Islands and about 268 miles northeast of Venezuela. The island is 348 square miles. As a tropical island, the climate is hot and humid with a dry season and a rainy season. There are 18 waterfalls in Grenada. We wanted to go to Seven Sisters, but as we got closer, the rain came down harder, and our drivers suggested we go to a different waterfall that would be easier to access with the children.
Okay, we're going to
The jungle.
Mount Carmel Waterfall.
Gary, watch this up. Jump!
Mount Carmel Waterfall is actually 2 waterfalls. The 30-minute hike, which is really easy to do, starts through a garden gate between a bar and shops and passes through a private spice and fruit plantation. A guide is not mandatory, but is helpful in pointing out the various plants in the plantation. And it helps out the local economy. Our guide picked a cocoa pod from one of the trees, broke it in half, and gave us the pulp to taste. It has a mild chocolate taste and is very good.
Shush.
It was a nice plantation with lots of fruit trees. And after an easy 30-minute walk, we arrived at the first waterfall. And what a sight it was.
What a beautiful place. Check out this waterfall. Beautiful. And the little river.
Okay, this is Concord Falls, and we're testing out the swimming here. It's not a good day, but it should be fun. See how cold it is. Okay, it's freaking cold. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's nice.
looking to catch crayfish.
But there was more to see, so off we went to see the second waterfall. The freshness of the water felt so good on a hot day.
Soursop. Coconut. Bananas.
Our guide told us that it was possible to slide down the waterfall, so our friend Ben decided to give it a try.
Bon appétit, everyone.
Merci, carrément.
Here he goes. Sing a song too.
Sing a song, sing a song. Banjo boy, banjo boy.
So pretty.
This is a pretty big marina, actually. Port Louis Marina in St. George, Grenada.
It's way more fun to do this at night when you can't see anything, and the water was much higher too. We had to really duck down.
Word to the wise, if you have a stern light in the back of your dinghy, lower it down before going under the bridge. We broke ours the night before.
Yeah, got the sail back, got the jib, and we got some sheets, new sheets. We gotta go under that bridge now. We did it last night in the dark. Now we gotta go back again. Oh, geez. We made it. Okay. Woo. Calm to go get some lunch. Put the sails off the boat, the dinghy, and we're gonna go grocery shopping again. So we'll do that later and pick up the laundry. Whew, we still have a lot to do. I think you can take off your mask now.
Force of habit now. Let's not bash into the boat too hard, huh? Like I normally do.
Yeah. I'm filling my underwear, which is really my bathing suit today.
Okay.
Beautiful full moon tonight. And all the lights of the cities reflecting in the water. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really gorgeous. The moon is just like this big old chandelier. Ta-da! It's Christmas!
That's how we folded it last time, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
When we took down the Genoa and Bimini for the wannabe Hurricane Gonzalo, we had the sail inspected by a sailmaker with some minor repairs done. That was the perfect time to do it. Now we had to put it back on. Easier said than done.
Yeah. toe. And I broke it. It went out of place.
Oh my God.
I had to snap it back.
Oh, what'd you hit?
That's the rail. Oh. Okay, I'm alright. I'm here. Ah, I did it again. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Just snapped my toe.
What was your lesson?
It went clack, and then I put it the other way, back this way, and it went snap again. Twice.
What was the lesson here?
Oh.
Something about wearing shoes?
Oh. Oh, maybe it's not broken. Maybe it just snap out of place. I mean, it did go snap, snap. Oh.
Good thing you're flexible.
So I got ice on my foot. Oh boy.
That's okay. The rail? That was rail?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
That. This right there
Like
is
this?
what I
Like
hit.
this?
Yep, exactly like that.
Usually
That's
it's
how
this
I-
one.
No, it was the left. The right foot, of course. Ay, ay, ay. Whew, it's really throbbing now. Oh well. It's life of a boater. I'll be wearing shoes for a few days.
I hope you've enjoyed our little adventures, and I hope you had a good laugh at my expense. Next episode, broken toe or not, we sail on to Carriacou, a small paradise island just to the north of Grenada, and we witness a sailing regatta. Come along for the fun. More adventures to follow. And remember, click the like button. See you next time.
Gonna come close. Wow, good job.